Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today I'm going to be talking about some of the top rated beauty products and tools from the Dollar Tree. This is of course according to their website and their star ratings and amount of reviews these particular items get on their website. And this particular one will probably be a two-parter because there are a lot of products in this category that are top rated. So this is kind of be the first half of it. There are some more products that I will not mention today. It'll be in a future video. Now I have done two videos similar to this and I will have them both linked down below if you're interested. I think I did the top rated makeup products and the worst rated beauty products. So definitely check those out along with my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist for all my Dollar Tree oriented videos. If you do enjoy Dollar Tree oriented videos. Also too, before we get into today's video, I did want to ask you and invite you to subscribe and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And also too, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you're always notified when a video upload goes up. So if you want to see some of the top rated beauty products and tools at the Dollar Tree, definitely keep on watching. So I think this first video, there's 15 that I'm going to talk about and show you. Some of which I've tried, some of which I have not tried. So the very first one is the Sassy Plus Chic Facial Jade Roller. This has 10 reviews and a 4.9 star rating. I do own this, and they also have an eye roller as well, which I've seen a couple times but do not own. You know, I haven't used any more expensive jade rollers, but I would imagine this works absolutely as good as the ones that cost more money. Now, I've gotten out of the habit of using it because I don't know how much it actually benefits my skin. I mean, there's some people that swear by it. So I do own it and I do enjoy it, but sometimes it's just a little much for me to use. But it does get a really good rating. So people that do enjoy using jade rollers seem to enjoy this one just as much as more expensive ones. So if you're looking for a jade roller, definitely check out your local Dollar Tree and pick that one up and save some money. Another item, and like, obviously I'm not a big nail person, so I don't know, but I have seen where a lot of people have hauled these, and it really has a decent rating on the website. It is the Sassy Plus Chic Electronic Nail Kit. It's a 4-piece set. And it's got 7 reviews and 4 stars. And basically it looks like it comes with the battery operated handle. And then you've got 3 attachment tools to kind of manicure your nails. I'm just assuming, I haven't read it, but it probably has like a buffer and maybe a cuticle thing, or like a fine and a coarse file or something like that. But it seems to get really good reviews. So definitely, especially if you're on the fence about buying a more expensive product like this, maybe try the one at the Dollar Tree and see if it's something that you would like. Like for me, if I were gonna try to be better at my nails, I would start with the dollar one first, make sure that it's something I'm gonna like and use. But yeah, this one really gets a very decent rating, I feel. So another thing by Sassy Plus Chic is the facial cleaning brush. Of course, I'm assuming it runs on a battery or two, and it's, you know, those brushes that clean your skin. Now, I don't use products like this. I don't know if, I kind of feel like they might be a little rough on the skin, but I know a lot of people swear by facial cleansing brushes. And so it has 15 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. So that really ain't shabby. So definitely, you know, I would say that that is definitely worth a try. You know, maybe at some point I'll try one of these brushes, and when I do, I will probably buy the one from the Dollar Tree. Now, I don't know this to be true, but I would imagine you probably can't buy replacement heads like the brush, so probably when you are done with it, you just need to toss it. However, you know, for $1, that is not a bad deal if you replace it every few months or whatever the frequency is in which you should replace them. So yeah, I think that seems to be a pretty solid product from the Dollar Tree, and I have seen a lot of people haul these recently as well. And they just can't believe that for $1 you can get something like that. It is really amazing when you think about it. So now this is something I have used, and I was so excited to see them at the Dollar Tree. It's the Sassy Plus Chic Soft Makeup Vanishing Towel. It's new, so if you haven't yet seen them, be on the lookout, because I think I started seeing them about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And yeah, it's a makeup vanishing towel, just like the much more expensive makeup eraser, or I have the brand Erase Your Face, and you know, in mine I probably paid about $3 a piece. They came in a 4-pack, and I know the Erase Your Face can be like $20 or something like that. Now this one is round and it's a lot smaller. It's probably about that round, whereas like the other cloths are a little bit bigger, but it really works great. It would be great for travel, and especially if you were on the fence about buying one that is more expensive, you can try this, and then if you want to buy the more expensive one for whatever reason, you can do it no knowing that it works, because I do find it really works the same as my other ones. So definitely such a hidden gem. This only has 2 reviews because it is brand new, but it has a 5-star rating, and I personally have used this product. So this will end up getting a lot more reviews in the future. So definitely a brand new hidden gem at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so the next item, I am a little bit hesitant to use like skincare products, only because I am a little bit spoiled with my high-end skincare. But I know there's a lot of people on a budget, but for me, I will forgo certain makeup products so I can have like really good skincare. But I know that a lot of people don't feel that way, so I wanted to include this as well, even though I have not personally tried it. It's the Skin Nutrition's New York Age Defying Dark Circle and Puffiness Treatment. This has 36 reviews and a 4.6 star rating. It's one of those products I've used years ago. I used one that was like Garnier, and it's got the roller ball and all that stuff. I don't typically use products like that just because I don't get a lot of puffiness, and I do prefer like an eye cream or like an anti-aging like serum. It says that it works on fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles, which I have 2 of the 3 of those. But yeah, like I said, I'm just a little hesitant because I am a little spoiled with my skincare, but those are some great numbers for the reviews. So definitely, especially if you're new to a product like that, definitely try this. I mean, if you are open to Dollar Tree skincare, this would be something to try out because it has very, very solid reviews. And again, I'm not really a nail person, but I do, trim my fingernails and file them down occasionally if they're a little rough and all that good stuff. So this is a Sassy Plus Chic 4-piece manicure set. Has 25 reviews and a 4.3 star rating. They have a few different colors, and it's just a little plastic container that looks like a pair of scissors, a file, that might be a cuticle pusher, and a pair of clippers, which, it looks like something you can just throw in your bag, keep one in the car, keep one in your purse, keep one at home. For $1, those are some really great reviews. Sometimes you don't have to look any further than the Dollar Tree for something like that, for sure. Gets the job done, you know what I mean? So this is a skincare product I would use, and I have never used it, but it's a brand name, which is always really good, and I do see this in my store very, very, very often. It's the Pond's Perfect Color Complex Cream. Pick up, it has 7 reviews and a 5-star rating, which means pretty much everybody that has purchased it loves it. So it looks like it's for normal to dry skin, and it looks like it might help get rid of marks. I'm not really sure. It looks like you get 1.35 ounces. But yeah, that would be a great cream to try. I do want to try it at some point. It's always good when you can get a brand name. One thing I buy brand name all the time for my skin is the little Dove creams in the little plastic containers. And they make really nice hand creams, and you save at least 50 cents if you buy them there versus CVS. So now the next item I thought was really, really, really cute. It's these faux suede cosmetic bags. They're about 6 by 7 inches or 6 by almost 8 inches. So nice little cosmetic size, probably too small for most of our makeup collections, but if you want like a little bag for something like for your purse, I would imagine they're like an Ipsy bag, maybe a little bit bigger. And they have 15 reviews and 4.9 stars. So people are really liking these, and they're really cute. They have that pastel pink and that pastel purple, and then they have a black, for a more classic look. So yeah, definitely like a nice little thing to throw in your purse, or to keep some little things organized in your purse. Especially if you've never gotten the Ipsy Glam bag and have collected a bunch of small bags over the years, that would be a great way to go for sure. I'm a sucker for a makeup bag. I've got so many little makeup bags. I don't collect shoes at all. Like I've got like a handful of shoes, but bags, I've got a lot of bags. I love and makeup bags even more than purses. I'm not even really like a purse person, but a purse person. But yeah, I love makeup bags of all kinds. Now here's another brand that I have yet to try, and like I said, I just haven't been able to bring myself to, but I hear rave reviews about it all over YouTube. It's the Bolero brand. This is the Bolero Beverly Hills Watermelon and Aloe Facial Toner. It's a 4-ounce bottle. It has 5 reviews, and it has a 4.2 star rating. It's on back order. I'm sure it smells amazing. So yeah, if you've tried any of these Bolero products, definitely drop a comment down below and let me know. Then the next item is the Global Beauty Care Retinol Makeup Cleansing Wipes. You get 30 in a pack. Again, these are back ordered as well. They have 17 reviews and a 4-star rating. Now I know that this brand, and actually there are various brands of different types of makeup wipes, and I've heard reviews about so many of them that people just love that I almost can't keep track. I mean, this is just one particular variety, but I've never tried the makeup wipes from the Dollar Tree, mainly because I just don't use makeup wipes as much. And now I've really taken to, when I do use a makeup wipe, I like the little individually wrapped Neutrogena ones, because I do use them so infrequently. And when I do use a wipe, I do have baby wipes that I will use with some micellar water, because a baby wipe you can kind of use all purpose. You can use it for other things as well. So I don't really buy a pack of makeup wipes anymore. But if you want some wipes, these have a solid rating, so definitely something to look into. And I'm just gonna kind of lump them together in a picture here because they were right next to each other. You have the Swan Strengthening Nail Polish Remover. It's a 6-ounce bottle, 24 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. Again, I think that's a great item to buy at the Dollar Tree. I know that nail polish remover isn't really expensive anywhere, but you know, it's great that you can just get a bottle of it at the Dollar Tree, and it's just a solid product. You almost can't mess it up. And then right next to it is the Travel Manicure set. This is a 5-piece set. It has 10 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. So again, just another really solidly rated manicure set. And beauty is with a manicure set, I know there's a lot of men that use them too, so you know, it's good. You can give one to your husband and all that kind of stuff. And so it's just good to have a little something like that that's very, 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 very affordable, but still works really well. Now also too, on this channel, I like it to be a place for everybody. And just because I use makeup brushes doesn't mean you use makeup brushes. You may still use the little sponge applicators, and that's perfectly fine. We use our fingers, we use brushes, we use sponges, use anything, however you feel like putting your makeup on is how you should put your makeup on. So I did want to mention these, even though I don't use them, and a lot of people on YouTube don't use them, you may use them, and that's perfectly fine. So I did want to include these. These are the Sassy Plus Chic Eyeshadow Applicators. You get 20 of them in a pack. It has 4 reviews and a 5-star rating, which means if you spend more than $1 on them, you're spending too much. So yeah, you might as well spend $1 and get something that is perfectly good. Like not just good, but a great rating. So yeah, sounds like if you spend more than $1 on these, you're spending too much. And then here are, again, a couple pedicure items that I decided to kind of lump together because they were right next to each other. This one has the 4-in-1 Pedicure Paddles. It has 15 reviews and a 4.4 star rating. Looks like it has a brush, and then on the other side a pumice, and like one of the graters. So just a 3-in-1 tool, actually 4-in-1, so it probably has like a fine grate or a file maybe on one of the other sides. Anyway, that is a steal for $1. So, and great reviews, so a very solid product, as well as the Professional Pedicure Files. This has 8 reviews and a 5-star rating. So these get that good of a rating. Don't spend more somewhere else. Buy it at the Dollar Tree. You know, you can't go wrong. Then I get 2 more items I'm gonna feature today. One is the April Bath and Shower Microfiber Spa Facial Scrubbers. It's a 3-count pack. They have several different colors. And these have 44 reviews and 4.9 star ratings. It looks like it's a dual side facial kind of product. It looks like it has that kind of loofah to really kind of exfoliate your face. And then it probably has a more finely textured thing. And so if you've ever tried these, drop a comment down below. I think I've used a product like this in the past. If I did, it was a long time ago. But definitely a 3-pack for $1 and all those fun colors and that rating, a steal at the Dollar Tree. And then you can just toss them. You don't feel bad about tossing them after you've used them for a little while. And then last but not least is a product that I personally purchase. I purchase less than I used to, but I still pick these up. That way when I do need one, I've got them. And I've always thought this was a steal. It's the Assured Cotton Rounds 80-count pack. They have 25 reviews and a 4.5 star rating, and you just can't beat it. I think usually if you buy like a pack of 100 at another store, you pay like 3 times the amount for 20 extra or something like that. Definitely buy them at the Dollar Tree, and we shouldn't be using them all that much anyway if we're trying to be a little bit conscious about the environment, which I try. I don't judge you if you're not though at all, but definitely I'm just gonna spend $1 when I buy them, and really been using them a lot less. I can't even remember the last time I bought a pack, but the ones that I bought have lasted me quite a while. So it's something that if you buy them elsewhere, you're spending way too much. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. Again, I will have my similar videos linked down below so you can catch up on those, as well as that Dollar Tree playlist that I mentioned earlier. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.